In my previous video, we have already seen a process to generate a device token in Android. In this video, I will be showing Node.js code to send push notification. Please clone the code from the GitHub repo link I have given in the description. Okay, so we will start. We will copy this link and we will clone this Node.js code here. Git clone. Okay. Okay, and install the npm packages. Okay, we have npm package installed here. Okay, what I want you to open this file in a notepad. Open this fcm.js file in a notepad, and if you see the code, you will have to replace a server key and you will have to replace a device token which we have previously generated. Okay, so what we can do for that, to get a server key, you have to go to Firebase console and go to your application and go to cloud messaging, and here you can see the server key. You can copy it here. However, I'm gonna yeah, you can copy here and paste the server key here. Done. Now the device token which we have generated yesterday in my previous video, sorry, so that you can copy and paste it here, and we will copy that device token, the one which we have generated yesterday, sorry, in my previous video again. We will replace it here. Okay, that is done from the Node.js side. If you want, we can customize the notification title. Like I will give it as like notification from test app, message from Node.js, hello, hello, message from Node.js. Save this file and go to here and run fcm file, Node.js fcm.node.js file. Okay, so we are done, and I have shared my screen also here. I'm casting my screen and I have received a notification, and okay, so here you can see, yeah, this is the notification which we have sent from Node.js application, Node.js test app, hello, message from Node.js app. This is the same message which we can see here. So yeah, that's all in this tutorial. Hope you have enjoyed. If there is any doubt, please put it in a comment. I will try to explain it in a better way and try to resolve your queries. Thank you very much.